Alright, I'm back with 4 home screen setups for your Android phone, all made using Nova Launcher and KWGT widgets. If you guys don't know how to use it, I'll leave links here in the top right corner so you can just follow along. Also, I'll be giving away a bunch of promo codes throughout the video, so make sure you watch all the way to the end and go through the rules in the description below. Alright, let's get started with the first one, and I featured this home screen in my previous top apps video, and a lot of you wanted to know how I built this out. So this date and time widget is from Pastel KWGT, and the Google and volume widgets are from Material U KWGT widget pack. And these widgets change their theme from dark to light and light to dark depending on your system's color theme, and the entire widget pack is like that. The Material U KWGT widget pack has more than 50 widgets, and all of them are designed in Android 12 widget style. And the best thing is that the color of the widget adapts to your wallpaper's colors. If you change the primary global color, all the other colors automatically adapt. Now, this widget pack is not free, but I do have 25 promo codes to give away to you guys, so make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram, and DM me there asking me for promo codes to this widget pack. Now, for the date and time widget, I'm using Pastel KWGT, which is a lot like Material U. It has the same pastel look and feel. The pack is slightly more complex or has bundled widgets in terms of information they show, which is why I really like it. And just so you don't have to buy, I am giving away 15 promo codes. Just make sure you subscribe to my YouTube, follow me on Instagram, and DM me there asking me for promo codes. And for the icons, I'm using Yellowline icon pack, which I have used in my previous setups. I try to use the same KWGT and icon packs so that you don't have to install new ones each time. And Linux icon packs are really amazing, very versatile, and love their wallpaper collection. This next one is a very vibrant yet soft home screen setup. I'm calling it Pastel Horizon because of the beautiful shades of pastel colors and the sun at the horizon. I'm using 4 different KWGT widget packs, but hey, 2 of them are exported already for you, so you can just download and apply. And I've already featured Pastel in the previous setup. The only one you'll really need is Oreo KWGT. The icon pack I'm using is Android 12, but you don't need this one specifically. You can use any Android 12 icon pack you may already have. I've got this one, it looks really good, love the colors, the quality, and hopefully they'll add more to this pack. Now, I did say that you will need Oreo KWGT, and trust me when I say this, it's a must-have. It's essentially an iOS 15 style KWGT widget pack with about 115 widgets. That's a lot, and just imagine the home screen setups you can design with such a huge variety. The date widget is from Raven, which I have exported for you so you can just download and apply for free, but it's a really good widget pack and you should absolutely think of downloading and installing. And guys, before we move on to the third one, it would mean a lot to me if you could hit that subscribe button and that bell notification icon. It's probably nothing to you, but it means a lot to the channel. Alright, now let's move on. Coming to the third one, I'm calling it red and blue because I really couldn't come up with anything for this. It just has a very calm, clean, and energetic feel to it. Daytime, few apps, search, and battery info. That's it. The date and time widget is from Vanilla KWGT. Again, something I've featured in a lot of past setups. It's one of my favorite free KWGT widget packs. It has 180 widgets. Beat that, 180 widgets, and they're all very slick, modern looking, minimal, and yeah, free. The search and battery info is a modified widget from Sheer KWGT. It's a lot like Lucent KWGT in the way it has these translucent widgets that are very easy to use on any wallpaper that isn't white or too light. But all in all, very well done, aesthetically balanced, and they look really good, especially on gradient wallpapers. The icon pack I'm using is Redline Icon pack. Again, the reason I use these is because I've already done so many setups using these icon packs, and that way you don't have to install new ones each time. And again, as I said, the wallpaper collection is simply brilliant. You really have to go nowhere else looking for more wallpapers if you use this icon pack. And lastly, I tried something different this time. Split the home screen vertically with icons on the left balancing with the Spiderman on the right. I've got the music widget at the bottom to control playback. Very clean Whicons icon pack, and gave the app screen a dark teal translucent background. The icon pack, as I said, is called Whicons. Very minimal, pure white, simple, and most importantly, free. The vertical and daytime widget is from Finesta KWGT. It's another whopping 175 widget pack. You've got plenty of variety both in style, color, and information, which makes it an all-round widget pack to have. And for those interested, I am giving away 15 promo codes, so make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram, and DM me there asking me for promo codes. Now, the music widget is from Apple KWGT, which has about 100 high-quality iOS-style widgets, all very well done, look fresh, vibrant, and different from your regular Android 12 style widgets. And for this too, I'm giving away 15 promo codes. You know the drill, make sure you're subscribed and you follow me on Instagram. So just DM me asking me for promo codes to Apple KWGT. And that's it guys, those were 4 home screen setups that I wanted to share with you. Again, all backup files, links to download wallpapers, KWGT exports, all of those are in the description as links, so make sure you go ahead and check those out. Alright, thanks for watching guys, I hope this was really helpful, and if it was, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell notification icon. I'll see you guys in the next one.